What the fuck is up, YouTube? It's your boy Jiggity Cozy, Courtside Cozy. I do it all. I'm like everything at this point. I don't know what to call myself, but I haven't given you guys a long form YouTube video in a minute. I've been going crazy on the shorts though. I know y'all see my channel almost at 500K, so keep subscribing because we only got 560 subs and we need 1K. Like, yeah, but anyways, today's a long video and we're going to a car meet. Me and my boy YPK Ray. Are we bringing Jules? So we're going to a car meet today. Some of you guys that y'all be around, y'all know what's going on. Y'all know Ray just got the new Redeye. So what way to introduce it to the world than bringing it to a meet? Look at Coco. You can't go, Coco. But yeah, today we're going to a car meet. We got the Redeye. I'm gonna show y'all the car, but we still in our complex. So I'm gonna show y'all the car when we get there because can't be showing y'all the complex, bro. But y'all hear it though, so y'all see it. So feel me, when we get to the meet, you guys will see the car. Y'all know, I'll be back with y'all. We out in it big. 220 on the motherfucking dash. I ain't even never seen 220 on the dash. Nah, I'm playing. Anybody that been in a Redeye, I seen a 220. But yeah, I just never seen this Red. This is the best Redeye I ever seen. When we get to meet, I'm gonna show y'all. Hopefully it's some supercars day. I know I love Hellcats. Lamborghini, that's my dream car. We gonna get one of those one day. Y'all just gotta keep supporting the channel so we can get a Hellcat. It's gonna be mine and y'all. It's not just gonna be me. Like we sharing it. Shout out Rebel too, Rebel Motorsports. Go get that. Now you can play music. I'm not Monty Thais. Men not for make money. Men not for make money on the YouTube.
The song's not out yet.
Oh, he don't want y'all to hear it. He said, fuck y'all. It's a little wet play, boy. To get more content going. I've been slacking, but like yo, they been playing with my shorts. I won't even lie to y'all. Like I've been grinding on the shorts. They be playing with me, but we getting back into it. We need to get used to picking up the camera more. For me, gotta get some. Like I like my Bluetooth headband. They play music out the ears, and it's gonna come in handy today. When we walking around, I can still listen to, you feel me, Shotty K. Even though I'm in Vegas, I'm bringing New York music to the West Coast. For me, we're 3 minutes away for the action. Yeah, we recorded on the 13-inch. It's like, there's a camera I could use to do this, but it's too heavy. And the quality of it, oh, he trying. The TSX making noise over there, bro. Stop making noise, nigga. Look at Vegas. Ooh, look at the 3. Is that a 350 or 70? Couldn't tell. Oh, the police. Nigga Ray making mad noise, driving fast. Hopefully they don't bust a U. Passed it. Somebody got pulled over pulling in and he passed it. Did that police officer turn around? Yeah. Well, y'all, we at the gas station right now. We like 1 minute away. He missed a turn. He was fake going a little fast, so there was a police officer going that way and he just busted a U-turn. So, feel me, we had to get low in the gas station. He low-key need gas anyway, but we just came in the gas station, so God forbid we're gonna be like, nah, like we was running out of gas, so we had to feel me. But yeah, we like a minute away. So after he pumped this gas, we gonna be there. We saw somebody getting pulled over in the entrance of the car meet as we was driving by, so
he
that's already a red flag. One red flag. Yeah. Hopefully the night goes good though. We see some fire cars. We're excited for y'all to see. Can y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel? Like, why y'all playing? We need 1K subs. Like, the more y'all motivate me, I'm gonna post more. So let me just see like that y'all really jacking the channel. Like, help me out. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna try to get the angle. I don't know if y'all saw, but they go, y'all know what we call them boys. They there though. But feel me, we still looking for it. So guys, we're just now pulling up. As you can see, there's people here. There's cocksuckers there. You know. Let's see what we can see though. I don't see nothing flock yet. Oh, I see a moped. You know, let me show y'all. Y'all probably don't want to see me no more. I talked enough. But we just gonna slide through, you know, drive around, see what's looking like what. I see some mopeds though. Well, she look good. She like an 8. Why she like white boys? Ooh, wait, slow down. Look at the mopeds. Okay. Scatties, RTs, everything. That's mad heads here. Yeah, they better look. Be afraid. Somebody just said what's up to you. I don't know. Ooh, her joint beefy. Big stomach too. Should I edit all this out? Yeah, keep looking, nigga. They looking. They see the big red eye. They know what to do when they see a red eye. They better look. Oh, it's baddies. Oh, yeah, we outside. Don't park near none of these wagon niggas, bro. Hit a left. Move, G8. You think you fast or something? We know you fast, but move out the way. He chopping and shit. We know his shit fat, bro.
Nigga, Don said we leaving.
Oh, people can rev, alright?
That's tough.
They making mad noise over here. Some over there screaming. Ooh, look at mommy with the kids. Drive, nigga, wait. You just sitting here. We gotta get around. What's the left? Oh, look at the Hellcat right there with the doors up. Hey, Ray. Oh, that's Dom? Why you out, bro? We just got here. The party just started. Huh? Damn me up. Don't leave me hanging, bro. Why you leaving though? Right there? Oh, that's crazy. Like the red eye, you follow the red eye. I appreciate it. That's so whack.
How the fuck did that nigga get his doors up?
It's a hydraulic kit. Oh, he recording. You see that? Oh yeah. They showing too much. Nah. Just go right. They showing too much love. Look, they all taking pictures of the red eye. Damn, was we the showstoppers?
I guess so.
I think we the showstoppers. They all looking at us.
Who's vibing at him?
In the we gotta find somewhere to park. If we could just make one walkthrough, I just want to show y'all everything that's here. So hopefully we could get one walkthrough before we leave. They got green lights on there too. Stop. You didn't stop. Try to show the lights on the Hellcat. You being selfish. Another one. Oh, I like that. That's tough. The green on the SRT. His SRT is green.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's hard. Y'all see that one? Oh, another one. This park right here. This the Mopar section. Yeah, it's wrapped. It's burgundy. Park right here. 1 second. We about to park. Oh yeah, they like. Don't act like you don't like this. We in the Mopar section with it. Come on, get a nice park. Don't make us look goofy. Now you good. I would leave it off center. You the biggest dog here.
They do. Sorry, what's up?
Now you good.
I'm just checking it out.
Now yeah, look at
What do
it.
you
Of
guys
course.
gonna wrap up?
He bought the car wrapped like this already. If you look on the inside door panels, it's burgundy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So yeah, it came wrapped.
Good ass job.
And then he put the livery on it.
That's your green one? Huh? That's your green one? No, I got the GT one.
Oh, that's tough too. That's big dog status. Wait, I like the green one. I want to see the green one. Whose is this?
They're separated.
I like this.
I was like, that's something. I should move my shit.
My friend just ordered a SRT for his with the color on it too. So can you change that color or is it just green? I like this. The Mopar section look good. Oh, sorry. Oh, another one. Yeah, the splitter. And then your sound's probably. So did you order the sound like that one? The color
I don't know
one?
how big it is though. No, it's not. It doesn't light up. I don't think.
I thought that's what you wanted.
It's red, but it doesn't light up.
Okay. Alright, this one is hard. The doors up is crazy, but I heard that's expensive. Nah, we don't.
You made a right choice.
Nah, it's active out here. Nah, it's mad cars out here. We gotta do a walkthrough, bro. I thought you should make some noise first. Yeah. You want? Man. Supercharger sounds crazy. Nah, this is OD. My bad. That's a scat? Oh, he's okay. He got a scat in back. That's a cat too? Oh, couldn't even tell.
Hot air. You need a heat shield right here. That's why it's not
Say he should get a heat shield?
Yeah, like a box. 100% right here. Deadass, feel right here. Now, what do you rev it? Have your boy rev it?
Rev it real quick.
Feel that? It breathes hot air. It's supposed to be cold air intake.
Okay. Yo, you need to get a heat shield. You need to get a heat shield.
Right here. Feel that right here.
Oh, no, I do.
So when he's actually fucking running it, he's cutting his horsepower by 30 to 50. I sell the shit.
Okay.
Get a heat shield right here. Bolts it right here. Goes underneath. Around right here.
Okay.
It breathes in the cold. Off this intake right here.
Okay.
It sound a lot better.
Ray, he just gave me some good advice that you should get a heat shield where your intake is at because you're breathing in a lot of hot air from your engine and it's cutting your horsepower. Now they going crazy. Everybody going dumb. I don't even know what to record, y'all. There's so much going on. He's wilding the Lexus. I see the Mopar section looking real good though. I When we about to do a walk around, I'm gonna get back to y'all. There's a lot going on. So when we start walking around, I'm gonna definitely pick y'all back up. Somebody's going dumb. I'm just waiting for Ray so we can do the walk around.
I feel bad for niggas when I pop out with my new shit. It was low. I was just telling him, bro, it's supposed to be done today, bro, but ECU and wiring harness got fucked up.
Oh, look at him. Okay.
Is he back on? That's what I wanted to do.
Nah, the Hellcat swap on
That's what I was
this.
just
I swear, I wouldn't get that. Cause I've seen like one or two, even on YouTube, so I know it's rare.
But the thing is with these, the Hellcat swaps on these, they need a custom transmission because the drive chain's lost.
Okay, that makes sense.
You see Mr. Goddamn shit?
Yeah. Oh, somebody going dumb over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he going dumb. In the sky too. Now this is hard. I can't just walk past the Hellcat like I ain't see that dude. Y'all see the doors on this one? I don't know if this is a W mod or L mod. I'm not sure how I'm feeling about this. How y'all feel about this? W mod or L mod? Headlights is a dub. Oh my god. Headlights is crazy. Bro, do not do this.
What? Are you crazy?
Cause it's like, bro, it's a Dodge. This like, I heard this is like over $5,000 to $10,000 to do. Cause you have to buy the hydraulic kit. I bet he would do that, right? I bet he would do that.
About getting out in a parking lot, bro.
But you know what it do though? Because it doesn't just open up, it opens out and up.
Yeah.
So now it's a two-way motion. I don't know. It look good though.
What?
Black seat. We can hear music because we not monetized. It look good in here too. I like the wheels on this one. Word. The police here, they not even tripping. That's valid. Man, they'll get fucked. That Honda would that ass race you. This Honda right here. Now my boy got the big wheels. He got the big wheels on the Charger. Let's see what he do. It look like he don't got no power steering. This is OD. That looks insane.
What size wheels are those?
Those are like 20 something. Those are definitely in the 20, 24 or something like that. The boys are sliding through. Nah. Yeah. Oh, the boys, my boy. The boys, my boy.
Get out the car.
It wasn't me, officer. That's probably the cop that was following us to the gas station. How y'all feel about the library? Y'all jacking that? That shit hard though, right? Yo, the 4K 60 on the phone, I swear it looks as good as a camera. They need to go get him. All right, now you can hit it. He trying to battle you, bro. lineup crazy. I even like the Charlie. Ray, I think the wide body Challenger looks better, like than the regular. Well, I don't know. I like the Charger better, but the wide body Challenger looks better than the regular Challenger for sure. But this still looks better. This looks better than the Challenger, bro.
See, now I think it does.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it's the wide body that makes it. Oh my God. It's not showing, Ray. You might not have sensors on your front rims. That's what I think could possibly be. I think you don't got sensors on your front rims. Yeah, because if you buy new rims, you can sell these rims. You can sell those rims and the rims in the front. 2-piece sets. I think somebody would buy your rims. Just wouldn't trade you. But buy them for sure. Anybody that goes to the drag strip. Yeah, we do YouTube.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I see him. I be watching him on TikTok and shit.
He said he'd be watching you on TikTok. Ooh, is that a Kia?
Yeah.
That's a Toyota.
Yeah, I be open all the time, and I seen your shit on TikTok.
Yeah, you better look out for
I started watching
Toyota.
YouTube and everything, bro. And I was walking by and I seen you. I was like, hold on. I was like,
Why he got the black hood too? Why he flexing?
I had just-
He got the same spoiler and everything. Nah, he said what's up? He wants smoke. Nah, yeah, his wheels do look good. That Toyota look interesting too.
Nah, that's what's up, man. I didn't know you moved.
Oh yeah, I've been here for a minute now.
I think Ray definitely got the showstopper. No, we're not gonna act like y'all don't see the jewel too. Yeah, not the regular one. It's the red one. Ooh, more scats. We love Mopar. We love seeing the Mopar. The diffuser look good. Yeah, we just outside today. I know, like we outside today. It feels good. Oh, I got my Bluetooth headband. I want to play some music. I want to play some tunes with the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth headband. Feel me? They probably think it's just like to charge the phone or something. I don't know what they think, but I play music in my shit, you heard? I don't know. I feel like the car me look lit, but oh, look at the wrap on this. Look at the wrap on this Camaro. Nah, this bit hard. He in a cutaway. Now this wrap is crazy. Wrap on that crazy. He got some nice lights here too. I'm jacking this, but I think this is a V6. We ain't gonna discriminate the V6 though. What a girl. She outside. She is outside today. Oh, look at the wheels on this one. On the RT. The rims are little. Those gotta be like 18. What are those? Those are 20s? Those are little. Maybe the tires too big. It's a lot of police in here. People still going crazy though with the boys in here. Nobody don't care. I like that. I like that. Racial are hard. We learning some stuff though. He got to get a heat shield. His intake is sucking in hot air from his engine, and they're saying that we could be losing horsepower, or that we are losing horsepower. So definitely got to get a heat shield. I love Hellcats, bro. Just wide body cats, bro. If you got a wide body cat, you winning the game. People fuck with the drag wheels. Keep seeing people pointing out the drag wheels.
I know.
They don't know that we're risking a lot of traction now.
I know, right?
This is my friend car.
Bro, this shit hard as hell. I was gonna ask, is these in the back make a difference?
The drag wheels, well, he bought it like this, so we haven't tested out no regular wheels with it yet, so we wouldn't even be able to say. But he get in the dry weather, he get a lot of traction. It hooks really good. But any ounce of rain, mist, moist goes out the window.
I think it's spit on the foot, yeah.
Oh, that shit nice, bro.
Appreciate it.
How many miles you got on it, dog?
16,000.
I just got mine with 1K on it, bro.
Oh, you got.
I end up going from 392 to this, bro. That shit ain't even fun on the street.
It's too much, right?
Bro.
I had an RT.
For real?
Yeah.
Hell no.
This is completely different.
Yeah, I'm already knowing. I think I had a 570 before I had the scat, but I mean, I didn't get to keep it for that long. So.
Yeah.
It's like when we used to drive the RT, it was like we could be going like 6 miles an hour full throttle and it would just hook immediately. He full throttles this and it's like doing a burnout.
On the highway, bro.
On the highway.
Even with the welds?
Yeah. Oh, what's that? In the V6? In the V6? You let that much smoke in the V6? His tire smoke don't even smell good. Ooh, look at the pickup truck. Yo, I be seeing a lot of trucks in the West Coast. Bro, a lot of trucks in the West Coast be riding on a wheelie. Like the back, it be slammed in the back and high in the front. Oh, look at the inside. You can see his wheels. That's hard. They having a barbecue over there.
Have you seen a Rebel on the backs?
Yeah, that was a Sky. And it had like 70,000 miles on it. That was not the one. Ooh, what's this? Oh, that's a wide body Lexus? Oh, y'all see the wide body? It's Fake Valley. I just like the Mopars. We don't even want to leave. We Mopar section, bro. Put your favorite Mopar. If you a RT fan, you a Sky fan, you a Cat fan, you a Red Eye fan, you a Jailbreak fan, you a Demon fan, you a the new Goblin. If you gonna be a new Goblin fan, let me know in the comments, bro. What Mopar you taking? Ain't too many beating this lineup right here. You need a lot of horsepower to beat this lineup, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, y'all see what's going on. We back. This line, yo, we almost didn't even see. It's 3 Ferraris over here, and we almost missed this line. Oh, that's a Lotus. That's a Lotus. We gotta get this line up before we did that. I ain't gonna lie. They about to fuck with us though. Yo, bro, people be sleeping on these, bro. It's a Lotus. That's the name of the brand, Lotus. This Lotus is hard. Tell me y'all not sleep on a Lotus on YouTube, bro. The name of the brand is Lotus. I don't know if it's a lease or I don't know which model it is. Yeah, it looked like the Rari though, right? What is this one? It's a Lotus Evora. It's an Evora, but it fake look like a Rari from the back. From the front too. Let's see this one. Look at the cool wheels, bro. Oh my God. See the engine in the back. None of that engine in the front nonsense. Keep it classy, keep it in the trunk. Ooh, now some heat over here. AMG GT. Jack the GT. Would you ever get a Porsche? Would you get a Porsche? It literally looks like the Volkswagen. Never mind. Look at the i8 though. It's the, oh my God, I got the blue wheels on it. That's like a great like. Now this is OD. The blue wheels on the pink i8. If only they was fast. That would be flock if they was fast. Oh, another Mopar. Mopar, no car. Y'all know the vibes. What's this? This BMW long as hell. There's 2 BMWs in one.
Not a front loader.
Oh,
that's
look at
fine.
that cat. That looked like an old cat, like a 2015. It got chrome wheels on it. Oh, that's the guy that was talking to us. But he said he bought it with 1,000 miles. What year is this? What year is this?
Oh, this is 2019.
It came with chrome wheels on it? I was about to say, that's heavy.
I had to put the rims on it.
I like the big wheels on the truck too, low key. Big rims on the truck. Ooh, I always said I wanted one of these little 1 Series. I like the little 1 Series. 2-door. And you got like, you got the, I don't know if it comes stock with this bumper, but that bumper looks way lower. That looks aftermarket low key. Yo, that's a turbo 350Z. About to get hit. Wait, that sound like a turbo 350Z. If it is, that shit probably got. Yeah, that shit's fast. Turbo 350Z. Ain't shooting guns, she's shooting flames. Gunshots and flames. Everybody out. Everybody like, we've been here too long. That turbo Nissan is insane. He gotta have like 500 horse. Ooh. Now we outside today.
I want to drive around.
We outside. Well, we went to our first car meet, guys. It's getting dark. I gotta have at least 20 minutes, 25 minutes of content for y'all. So y'all better like and sub to the channel. Is that another cat right there? Oh no, that's an SXT. I like when people put that logo on their shit. That's hard. Rep your shit, man. That, yo, this green SRT does not get old. Yeah, he going crazy. I gotta see it.
My bad, bro.
This another one? This was just here?
No.
This your car? I like the narrow bodies too, I ain't gonna lie. I like the narrow bodies too.
That's why. You can't be out here looking like a clown talking about my shit, bro.
But you got a cat too.
Bro, honestly,
How long you had that car?
what's up?
How long you had your car?
About a week.
He had this for a week.
I had an RT and a Tesla before. Oh, you
Bro, if anyone gets a Hellcat, that's a great accomplishment of life.
Honestly, bro.
That's my dream car too. I want to get one next. Like,
Bro, honestly, I don't even own it, though. That's the thing. So you probably own your shit.
no, you finance?
Oh, yeah, I end up putting.
Bro, he think you rich or something, bro.
So look, I put 85,000
Down.
Yeah.
You put 85 down?
You see my house, bro. With a fucking 8-bedroom.
You put $85,000 down on that car?
Yeah, one of them, because I ended up getting 2. I got a Redeye too.
Bro, he over here acting like you famous. He got 2 Hellcats, bro. That's crazy. 85 down is scary to think about. 85 down, you probably could have got a Huracan, bro.
Huh?
You could have got a Lamborghini Huracan 85
I already
down.
got that. I already got that.
What? What do you do? We need to know what he do.
Invest your money, start going for it.
Everyone says that.
I don't know, man.
Everyone says
I
that.
gotta learn the
This is
game.
the
That's
thing.
what it is.
Don't go to somebody to learn the game. Just do your research on YouTube. Everybody show you how to do it, bro.
Yeah.
And you'll learn how to do it. Don't go to no fucking guru online. Hey, you know you can make $20,000 and that shit bullshit. Just learn it, invest it, and be smart.
I'm impressed that she got a Hellcat. That's heavy. Look at her SRT logo. She big dog too. big those status. We gotta see the race, right? What y'all like? Y'all going narrow body or wide body? Take away the livery, take away the black hood. Just wide body or narrow body? What y'all doing?
Yeah, me too.
Bro, I'm taking whatever one a dealership let me walk up the lot with. Fuck that. That shit hard though. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like I'm about to end this vid with y'all. Y'all need to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. That's what y'all need to do. Cause y'all support me and we gonna get this channel booming so I can get a Hellcat too. I'm the only one with no Hellcat. So help me get a Hellcat, please, y'all. Y'all gonna like, comment, subscribe, right? Yeah, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Unless something else interesting happens, then I won't end it here and I'll put that clip in there too. But yeah, y'all know what to do. Well, guys, our burnout was not a success. Y'all see, it's like 3 police cars. But you know what? You live and you learn. We saw like 10 people do a burnout, mind you. So we was chilling. We think the police wasn't pulling nobody over. So we like, oh, we could do a burnout too. They not gonna violate. And as soon as he did that, they was like, nah. But feel me, I don't think nobody burnout equal to the red eye burnout. You know, that 800 horsepower go crazy. But they fake being chill about it. I just didn't want to have the camera recording in their face while they talking to us. We trying to talk nice so we don't get no ticket. That would suck, not trying to get a ticket. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know how this goes. And if y'all see a really long sheet of paper, then you know they got us. But hopefully they don't get us. Word, I'll be back with y'all though.